Until a few years ago, it seemed that dashcams were only specific to police officers, race car drivers and Russians who posted ridiculous accidents on YouTube. Now you can see them everywhere. Their benefits are immediately apparent. In the event of an accident, you will have video footage showing who was at fault, which can be invoiced if it comes to trial or if you have to file an insurance claim. Before we get started with our video detailing the best dash cam on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check that out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Camera with front and cabin cam was designed to help you capture every moment in and out of your vehicle when you drive or park. In fact, this dash cam has a front-facing OV4689 sensor camera and faces a Sony sensor camera that is 140 degrees back in 80 degrees rotating, helps to shoot so that can be provided. Maximum safety driver and passenger. In addition, this dashcam features a Sony-Sensor infrared night vision camera that automatically balances the video's light in dark areas, and integrated 4 IR LED lights on the car's night vision under low-light environments. Increase a lot. In fact, when low light conditions are detected, the infrared LED will automatically support rear-view image recording, thus giving drivers and passengers a higher level of car safety. Number 2, Rexing V1P Dashcam. The Rexing V1P wide-angle dual-channel dashboard is a camera recorder with a 2.4-inch LCD FHD 1080-pixel display to allow you to simultaneously drive footage from the front and rear cameras. In fact, this Dash Zero camera is equipped with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle Full HD front camera so that it automatically performs better in any lighting situation by adjusting the display automatically to create balanced images and footage. It supports memory cards of up to 128 GB in memory size. Made of durable and weather-resistant materials. Dual-channel recording using a rear and front camera. Front camera captures Full HD 1080p videos at 30 fps. Starts recording from both cameras as soon as you start the car engine. A wide dynamic range for performing optimally in any lighting situation. Loop recording with new recordings automatically overriding oldest recordings. Accident auto detection G sensor that locks the current video if an accident happens. Number 3, Yi Full HD wide-angle dashboard camera. The Yi is a Full HD and wide-angle dashboard camera equipped with ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System to ensure safe driving at all times. In fact, ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System provides real-time intelligent lane departure warning, as well as forward collision warning, which detects the distance of the front car for more precautionary measures while 165 degrees ultra. Wide-angle all-glass lens for easy monitoring of the Dash 3 lens without blind spots. In addition, this dashcam 6060 enables accurate and detailed capture recording using high-end video processor integrated with FPS recording, while integrated G-sensor technology allows automatic recording in any emergency. Number 4, KD Lynx R100 Ultra HD Front and Rear Dash Cam. The KD Lynx R100 is an Ultra HD front and rear anti-glare dash cam equipped with a 5-inch IPS display and superior night vision to help you achieve a safe driving routine. In fact, KD Lynx include a front dual cam mode with clear hands-free and high-definition recording at 30 fps, along with auto motion detection that allows short-duration recording to begin when there is movement detected even if vehicle engine is off. In addition, this dash cam features an advanced parking design that ensures maximum safety of the cars, while the integrated 6-glass lens design and wide dynamic range (WDR) give you night and day conditions. Will provide high-definition video recording. Key features: an Ultra HD front and rear anti-glare dash cam. Unique automatic feature and modern parking mode. A1296p front camera and 1080p wide-angle rear camera. Number 5, Old Shark Dash Cam. Old Shark is a 3-inch display car dash cam equipped with car recorder, 170 wide-angle night vision dashboard camera, G-sensor, loop recording, WDR and parking guard that you can use every time you drive or while parking. Helps capture the moment. In fact, this car's dash camera has a premium sensor that produces highly detailed recordings while driving day and night,